Hi everybody, here I have an unboxing of a very hard to find MCM leather belt. Like always, I want to go ahead and show you guys the box. You have a step and repeat pattern on the box throughout the whole entire. These belts are extremely hard to find, and you can't find them in the US very often. This is just a receipt. Inside each product, you'll always get the MCM 1-year limited warranty card. Basically stamped, signed, and then just gives you a little information about the product. You always have a dust bag as well for every product. This is some kind of cotton or cotton-like material. And let's take a look at the belt. They're very famous for their cognac color brown with the logo. This belt that I purchased here is the M logo with the little MCM logo right here at the very bottom. Not sure if you can see it very well. This belt is reversible. On this side of it you have the black leather in a textured pattern, almost like a canvas pattern, but this is actually leather. All their belts are one size, and you basically cut it to measure. On the other end there's 5 holes for sizes. And at the very tail end of the strap, you have the MCM logo right here. Hopefully you can see that clear. Then on the back side, you have their famous cognac colored MCM logos with the diamond. To remove the buckle, all you do is pull this lever and the buckle comes off. And the back has a country of origin. All MCM products are made in Korea. And then you have the serial number, or the model number I should say. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like, dislike, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.